the founder and CEO of Qara Digital Solutions. Qara is a supply chain technology company specializes in connecting manufacturers with end consumers and everyone in between. Okay, Qara was established in 2021. We were only 8 employees, 8 programmers, but now we are more than 200 employees working in 4 countries. And I'm here today to share a story with you. This story is about marketing and traceability. Let me give you a quick introduction about what we do at Qara.
In a world of limitless connections, Qara bridges the gap between manufacturers and consumers. Are you facing challenges with visibility and control over your supply chain? Are you struggling with counterfeiting? Or is your inability to connect directly with your consumers causing you difficulties? What if we could change that? Imagine a future where technology empowers buyers to verify the authenticity of your brand. Imagine a future where technology enables manufacturers to track and trace their products down to the end consumer, where you directly connect and engage with all supply chain members. Imagine that future is today. Introducing Qara's secure QR code technology. From chaos to control, we help you unlock the potential of your brand and build trust with your customers by protecting them from counterfeits. Generate demand, ignite brand loyalty, and customer retention through Qara's digitized incentive programs. Effectively engage distributors, retailers, and end consumers with points, gifts, and cash rewards. Better manage your field force and map out your distribution channels. Monitor their inventory levels and receive and fulfill online orders seamlessly. Ready to unlock the power of connection for your business today? Request a meeting now.
Normally, our supply chain works like this. As a manufacturer, we sell to distributors, distributors sell to retailers, and retailers sell to end consumers through their shop sellers and salespeople. The problem with this linear supply chain module is that we push the product to the distributors and hopefully wish they will push the product downstream to the end consumer. But unfortunately, we only have a one-to-one relationship with our direct buyer. We don't have visibility over our product's journey downstream to the end consumers. This problem, I saw it maybe 70 to 80% of my consulting firms. This problem usually results in 4 phenomena. The first one, you feel that the marketing department is not able to communicate with the demand side of your chain. They are not able to generate demand from the end consumers. And this leads to higher bargaining power of distributors. The distributors become very powerful, the bargaining power of the company inflates. This leads to fragile competitive situation because you depend on few distributors to distribute your volume to the end consumers. If a competitor only headhunted one of your mega distributors, you may lose 10% of your sales. And consequently, their inflating bargaining power and your weak pricing position puts continuous pressure on your price. This will lead to continuous downward pressure on your price, will lead to slimming profitability, right? And what happens when our profitability goes down year over year? Sales and marketing budget. And then this leads to further limitation in your demand influence and your connectivity with the value chain. So it's a vicious cycle. Now, using technology, we can reimagine our value chain just by placing a unique QR code on our package and introducing a loyalty program using a mobile app, a multi-tier using a loyalty program. You can have one-to-one relationship with all your value chain members, including the end consumers. You can set consumption target, you can communicate valuable product information to your buyers. This results in faster turnover rates on one hand and more commercial sustainability, as you now have direct connection with everyone in your value chain. And again, 4 things happen. The first one, stronger loyalty and faster turnover rate for your product. Secondly, balanced bargaining power with your distributors. Thirdly, solid competitive situation. You are deeply rooted in the market now using your mobile technology and traceability solution. And finally, you have some breathing room to increase your price. And what happens when our profitability increases? We invest more in marketing and loyalty program, and the flywheel spins faster, but in the right direction. Finally, what we do, I will skip this part. What we do in Qara, we provide our customers with valuable commercial and sustainability benefits. The first one is authentication. Do you know in Egypt, they can ask any technical question to the product itself just by scanning this QR code using your voice, okay? Thirdly, loyalty programs. You can build loyalty programs not only with your business partners, but with mapping. You know exactly where your products are and what stocks your retailers have. Track and trace, of course, and finally, insights when the marketing and commercial managers can use AI to better analyze the market demands and the consumption patterns and so on. Thank you very much.